Bem-vindos às Cataratas do Iguaçu. Welcome to Iguazu Falls, and welcome to one of the most powerful, breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. Today we are walking the Iguazu Falls Trail here on the Brazilian side. This side is famous for offering the best panoramic views of the falls. As the trail gently descends, you'll see several viewpoints that open up into the incredible canyon carved over thousands of years. Iguazu Falls gets its name from the indigenous Tupi-Guarani language. Iguazu means big water, and as you'll see, that name fits perfectly, especially now because this visit was recorded in December, right after a period of heavy rains. The river levels were very high and the waterfalls were at some of their strongest flows in years. The entire trail is about 1.6 kilometers, or 1 mile, and it's one of the easiest and most scenic walks in Brazil. Along the way, you'll hear the constant roar of the water, and you'll feel the mist even before reaching the famous viewpoints. This area inside Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that protects over 1,800 species of plants and hundreds of animals. It's home to toucans, coyotes, capuchin monkeys, and even jaguars. You might see coyotes along the trail. They're cute but very curious, so it's best not to feed them for their safety and ours. Iguazu isn't just one waterfall. It's a massive network of cascades. Depending on the season, there are between 150 to 275 individual falls stretching across nearly 3 kilometers of cliffs. All of this comes from the Iguazu River, which drops drastically into the canyon below, creating an incredible amount of mist, sound, and movement. During this period, the river volume increases dramatically. Normally, around 1,500 cubic meters of water per second flow through here. But after intense rains, it can rise to more than 10 times that amount. That's why today you'll see the falls looking extra wide, extra powerful, and incredibly loud. What makes the Brazilian side special is the perspective. Argentina has most of the waterfalls, but Brazil has the big panoramas, the kind that let you see almost the entire horseshoe formation in one frame. From here, you really understand how massive and complex the whole system is. This walkway takes you right in front of Devil's Throat. This section alone handles more than half of all the water that flows through the falls. The water drops about 80 meters straight down, creating this constant cloud of mist that rises like smoke. When the river is high like today, the power is unbelievable. You can actually feel the vibrations through the platform. Thanks for joining me on this visit to Iguazu Falls. If you enjoyed the walk and want to see more travels like this, feel free to subscribe and check out the other videos on the channel. See you in the next adventure.